AM Distributor is a renowned name, and it has been serving the health industry since 1992.
AM Distributors is not really a company, it's a struggle in improving the healthcare conditions of this country.
The company has its marketing and distribution network. The company was founded and established by Mr. Mohammad Rafiq, a pharmacist with a vision to improve the healthcare facilities in Pakistan.
Bill Gates once said there is no secret to success. It comes from the result of preparation, hard work, and learning from failure. And throughout, that's what I've seen my father do.
He then began to import surgical sutures from the United Kingdom, and soon AM Distributors became the only authorized and official appointed distributors in Pakistan for the Sutures Limited UK. He then felt that there were no bylaws for the sterilization procedures in Pakistan. He also conducted awareness programs to tell the people about the importance of sterilization and that how patients and surgeons can benefit with it.
The marketing strategies of AM Distributors are basically aimed to wipe out an awareness deficit that occurs in our operating rooms. As I said, there is an awareness deficit. So the awareness will go on. I believe it is also very important to educate them properly regarding aseptic techniques in the hospital, in the operating room.
Mr. Mohammad Rafiq observed that the surgical procedures in Pakistan needed to be in accordance to the international standards.
When I see in the OT, I found that the linen is not properly cleaned and not properly sterilized. So I decided to import the product that can give the best result for the patient care.
He noted that there was no criteria set for the linen used as surgical drapes with lots of surgical side infections.
I think the way you seal off your surgical field is going to impact your surgical site infections. When you use linen drapes, then you are going to create an imperfect field. You need to be certain that the secretions, the blood and whatnot does not soak through the drapes and get to you.
Drapes had lots of problems, and especially in the current scenario where sterilization is a key factor. Linen is a permeable material, and when it becomes wet, it allows the bacteria to migrate from one side of the linen to the other side of the linen.
So why not switch from linen to sterilized surgical disposable drapes?
We are the first company of the surgical disposable drapes who has one brand, and which is a CoverX, and it will provide to the surgeons with the one quality instead of having different qualities.
CoverX has the privilege to be the first ever brand in Pakistan.
I believe the use of disposable drapes and gowns should be made absolutely necessary in hospitals throughout the country now, and the use of reusable drapes and gowns should become a part of history now.
I think the coverage drapes will be playing a very important role, not just as a drape over the patient, but for the protection of the surgeon as well.
They just need to have a gut feeling that something is either right or wrong and go with it. It's a welcome addition. I think the price is quite competitive, and price becomes less of a consideration when the surgery is going to cost hundreds of thousands of rupees.
We have started from linen and then we are going to disposable. No doubt it gave us an extra cost, but it's better to use an extra cost than to use an orthodox way. 99% we are using CoverX brand of AM Distributors.
And I think they're doing a good job, and the product called CoverX, and the people that are running the show at AM, I think it's a trusted company.
I think it's a very welcome introduction, and I would congratulate AM Distributors on launching this product.
And that's what my vision is for the future as well. I want to give my country the best healthcare, but for now I'm going to invest my education into the business. Well, the only message that I can give is that hard work leads to a great successful life. So I would like to say to all the youth out there that study hard and work hard and build your country up like I would love to do.